An update on the winter weather potential. This weather briefing from Friday afternoon, December 6th. An overview of the weather the next 3 days or so. We're looking at temperatures to remain on the cold side across southeast Texas. Right now temperatures are well above freezing, however, with no icing reported across this area. We do have severe icing conditions that have occurred north and west across the Dallas Metroplex, for example, on northeast through Arkansas. Looking forward, northwest portions of the forecast area will see temperatures drop below freezing tonight, but little or no additional precipitation is expected, so we're not looking at really any significant impacts tonight. Despite the cold temperatures, the lack of precipitation will mean no major issues, we think. We do expect more light rain to move back into the area Saturday afternoon and Saturday night, with some potential for icing mainly well north and west of Houston. Here's a look at the current radar composite as of early Friday afternoon, and you can see a large area of precipitation extending from far northeast Texas across Arkansas, western Tennessee, Kentucky, on northeast through Maryland and southern Pennsylvania. Much of this precipitation is in the form of snow or ice. But you can see that that main precipitation area is now moving out of Texas. Here's a look at the latest watch and warning map across the nation. You can see all those areas in pink, those are winter storm warnings. All the areas in purple are winter weather advisories, all indicating areas that are expecting or have had significant snow and ice with this storm system. The latest weather map as of about 1 p.m. Friday afternoon. You can see the freezing line drawn there from near Tyler down to south of Waco, down through Georgetown and on southwest. Areas south of that line are above freezing. Areas north are below. And you can see our forecast area, which includes much of southeast Texas, is generally above freezing, with temperatures in the mid to upper 30s and some lower to mid 40s near the coast. Looking ahead to tonight, as I mentioned, we do expect temperatures to cool down to below freezing in many locations, as indicated on the map on the right. That's a map of the forecast low temperatures for tonight. However, with little or no additional precipitation expected, we're not looking at any significant icing tonight. Now, there is an outside chance we could get some spotty drizzle that could freeze in those northern areas. If that should occur, we don't think this is going to occur, at least in no widespread way, but it is something to keep in the back of your mind to see if that drizzle should develop overnight. We don't think it will, but that's something that could create some problems in the below freezing areas. Most areas, as I said, should remain dry tonight. Now, more precipitation looks to move in during the day Saturday and Saturday night, mostly in the form of light rain or drizzle over most of the area. However, those far northern counties you see depicted on the map on the right, with temperatures, low temperatures below freezing in some of those areas, we could get some light icing in those areas if that light precipitation falls during the period where the temperatures are below freezing. So that's still probably our best chance of a little bit of icing that would be to occur Saturday night. There's still some uncertainty in how low the temperatures will get and how much precipitation we will get. We know that if it does occur, it should be light, but stay tuned. Tomorrow we should be able to update a little bit better. This map here sort of gives an idea of where the best chances are for icing to occur from Saturday night into Sunday. And the way to read this is the higher percentage values indicate a higher confidence that there will be icing occurring during that period. So focusing on our forecast area, You can see areas like College Station and Huntsville. We're looking at about a 20% chance that icing will occur, a 20 to 30% chance for those areas in that green shade. The better chances are still north and west, where of course they've already had a good amount of ice with this last event. Now we're looking at, again, light amounts, but for our forecast area, the best chance is generally north of a College Station to Huntsville line, with some very small chances even as far south as Conroe. There, that dark brown indicates just a 5% chance or so. So just to sum up, we're still looking at cold conditions the next several days. We'll have periods of light rain and drizzle off and on through Tuesday. The first batch of precipitation is moving out of the area as of this afternoon. We should see another round come in Saturday afternoon and through Sunday morning. It is possible there will be another round late Monday. Some precipitation could fall as light freezing rain or freezing drizzle. Should temperatures drop below freezing, the most likely locations for this occur would be mainly north of a College Station to Huntsville line Saturday night and Sunday morning. Although other areas, especially north and west of Houston, should continue to monitor, right now it does appear most of those areas should remain above freezing. Elevated structures, bridges, and overpasses are most at risk for some slick spots in those far north counties. Now, one change from yesterday, the models have trended a little bit warmer and a little bit less moisture available. So again, that threat now is somewhat less for places like Conroe and areas a little further south of the high threat area. Limiting factors, we're looking at very light precipitation and temperatures not falling very far below freezing. So we're not looking at a big impact event, but something we need to be aware of as potentially leading to some icy conditions, again in those far northwestern counties.